Yeah, students, an industrial psychology class today. Uh, we started up with what is meant by general psychology and what is meant by industrial psychology, and we were studying about what different theorists were talking in management studies and the relationship between that, those theorists, the psychologists, and then their contribution to management thoughts. So this is what we were seeing in the last classes. Now we are coming to the core area. Like you have to get back to your organizational behavior subject. So in organizational behavior, you were studying about personality, attitudes, beliefs, values, all these things. Okay, so now there is one important thing which you need to know about an individual, which is called as personality. Okay, the personality is something which you need to understand about an individual who is your subordinate or your colleague or your superior, so that you deal with them in the workplace situation. Okay, so the last part of our first unit would be about understanding the personality and how the personality is going to influence the performance of individuals inside the organization. So it is completely a psychological perspective, and I'm going to recollect what is that you have learned in your OB subject. Okay, when you talk about personality, personality means a person's unique and relatively stable behavior pattern. It's a unique thing applicable to that individual, and to some extent, it is a stable behavioral pattern and the consistency of who you are, have been, and will become. So, it talks about the past, the present, and the future. So, personality means a unique set of characteristic traits inherited amongst a person. Okay, so it is pervasive. The personality which you have experienced from a person, and what he is going to become in future is also depend on the personality of that particular individual. Then we have some other nomenclatures also. So we need to understand what is the difference between personality and character, and then what is meant by temperament, what is meant by personality triad. Okay, so these words we will be using it interchanging. Okay, so what is character? So we always talk. So many quotes are there on character, right? We talk about character assassination, and so many words are there. We say that when money is gone, something is gone, but when character is gone, everything is gone. So why are we actually interested about character? Character means it is the personal characteristics that have been judged or evaluated. So character is not what is that you inherit. Character is that which is being judged by others and being evaluated. Here only you have to be very, very cautious about it. So our character is determined by the other person's judgment and evaluation. We always say don't judge people. Okay, so it is not like don't judge people means you should not evaluate. You should always not judge them in a different way. Okay, so you should be very, very clear upon the exhibition of your characteristic traits before others. So, what you exhibit before others is your character. Temperament. What is meant by temperament? I lost my temperament. Sometimes we used to say that. So, it is an hereditary aspect of personality, which talks about sensitivity, moods, irritability, and adaptability. Temperament has got good as well as bad. So sometimes we become irritated, like, and sometimes we become very cool. We don't know why we comes to everything. There is another word called as personality triad. Personality triad means it is the quality. Triad means one quality. Bundle of triads together we call it as personality. Okay, so it is a stable quality that a person shows in most of the situations. Okay, he is a honest person, so that is a triad. She is a brave. She is a brave girl. So that is a triad. Okay, then type. There are different types of personalities. There are many classifications are there in common. So we will be studying about this. How do you classify people first of all? So we will study about what is triad, and then how people are classified as this extreme, that extreme they will be. Okay, so unique. What is the word keyword you have to keep in mind now? Unique, relatively unique, stable behavior pattern, present, past, and future. Consistency. You should have a consistency. Supposing you exhibit only one time, then you are not that personality. Okay. So consistently, if you keep on doing it, then that is your dominating trait. Okay. Now we have to classify people, right? So there are many psychologists who have spoken about that. Carl Jung, he was a Swiss psychiatrist, and he was a Freudian disciple also. He believed in two personality types, that side and this side. Actually, you would have heard about it already in your OB subject. One is introvert, and another one is extrovert. So intra means within yourself, so self-centered. Extrovert means outspoken. That's all. So introvert means they'll be shy, they will be self-centered, whose attention is always focused inward. They'll be thinking about themselves. Extrovert is actually a person who comes out bold. He will express actually. Is an outgoing person whose attention is directed outward. So many of the leaders will be extroverts. Uh, then we have some other concepts also from Carl Jung. Speaks about self-concept, ideas, perceptions, and beliefs about who you are. Then self-esteem, how you evaluate ourselves, a positive self-evaluation of ourselves. Then some people will have low self-esteem, so negative self-evaluation. So type A personality, you can look at this particular diagram. The triads, what and all they have got. See, personality is being described by a single word. Okay, so these are the there are n number of words. There are nearly more than hundreds and hundreds of words which describes a person's personality. Okay, if you have got a very good vocabulary skills, you can actually use all these words: agreeable, ambitious, cautious, competitive, honest, hostile, striving. So he is type A personality. Okay. Then look at this: introverted and extroverted. So if you see this introverted and extroverted behavior, there are different types of temperaments what they have got. Okay, introverted are more dominated by this. They are very see it has been characterized into four quadrants, and each quadrant is being dominated by this end person and that end person. So introvert will be very moody, they'll be very quiet, anxious, rigid, sober, pessimist, reserved, and unsociable. And they'll be very careful, thoughtful, peaceful, controlled, because they are self-centered. No, they are not dominated by their external world, they are within themselves. So this side is actually, they will be very reliable, placid also. See, you should not say that the introverts, these people are entirely bad, or these people are entirely good. This character style trait is bad and good. It's not so. There's bundle of actually traits. Okay, this side extroverts actually they will be a bit restless, aggressive, excitable, changeable. They'll be very impulsive, but they will be optimistic. Okay, then outgoing, talkative, responsive, easygoing, lively, and they'll be carefree. Okay, so these are the characteristics they will have. So as far as personality is concerned, there is nothing called explanation. It is all theories. These are the narrations of the triads, and it has been exhibited by people. So one person will have one triad bundled together, and he will form a unique. See, if I am having some characteristic triads, you may not have the same. Okay, we may have common traits, but entirely all the traits put together, the same trait you will not have. Uh, okay, that is what you have to understand very clearly. So we actually classify personality theories into different modes. But as far as your syllabus is concerned, we got only about personality types. We don't have anything on personality theories. So we don't. It is not in the syllabus. But to give you an overview of about what theories are actually prevailing, and to give you some content to write in your exams, like, or to recollect what you have learned already. I'm just telling you this, but this is not in the syllabus. So we have got triad theories, we have got psychodynamic theories, we have got behavioralistic theories, we have got social learning theories and humanistic theories. Okay, so every theory talks about the personality only. So be it leadership, be it motivation, whatever it is, all comes from this base only. So triad theory actually describes personality with a small number of triads or factors. Then I told you the definition for what is meant by personality triad. Then triads are classified into different ways. Surface triad means what is visible. The name itself tells you. Surface means like whichever is visible to you. Source means underlying characteristics. Okay, and likewise, look at this. The 16 source triads are measured by Cantel 16 PF are listed. See, that is the graph. Look at those words, reserved. The other side is actually, the right side is the opposite of the left side. Okay, this end and that end. So supposing if you plot about me, to which extent I am, the scale starts from 1 to 10. So if you give me rating 1 2 3 4 up to 10, then we can find out what type of graph we have got. Okay, now what I wanted you to do is, please take down all the 16 points. Okay, then graph is there now, 1 to 10. So this is like a questionnaire. So you can plot about anyone, and you can actually find out how the personality traits or the profile of that particular person goes on. You can compare also. Okay, will you do that? Hello?
This one.
Yeah. See, this end
Yes,
is
ma'am.
reserved and that end is outgoing. ஸோ நீ எந்த அளவுக்கு ரிசர்வ்டா இருக்க, ரிசர்வ்டா இல்லை நீ அவுட் கோயிங்கா? இப்போ என்னை பத்தி நீ வி கேன் டிஸ்கிரைப் அபவுட் மீ. ஓகே, ரைட் இட் டவுன். ஐ வாண்டட் யூ டு ரைட் இட் டவுன் பிகாஸ் யூ ஷுட் நோ தீஸ் வேர்ட்ஸ். Okay, you have to learn these words. Reserved, concrete thinking, affected by feelings, submissive, serious, expedient, shy, tough minded, trusting, practical, forthright, self assured, conservative, group dependent, undisciplined, relaxed. Look at this side, the opposite words: outgoing, abstract thinking, emotionally stable, dominant, happy go lucky, conscientious, bold, sensitive, suspicious, imaginative, sweet, apprehensive, experimenting, self sufficient, self controlled, tense. Okay, it is not that this is positive and that is negative. We have got some negative words this side also and some negative words that side also. Okay, so Cantel 16 PF, he has written it like this. It has got a pattern. Okay, please write it down. We will understand what type of pattern of personality traits we are having. If you actually spot it and you do it, you will feel something different. Are you into it? Are you
Yes,
doing
ma'am.
it? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yeah, yeah, please.
Ma'am, in the above, there is airplane pilots, creative artists, and writers, ma'am. For us,
No,
whom
no,
should we
we
have to
are,
do, ma'am?
now I told you to just write both the
Okay.
sides. Forget about that is an example given for some other occupation. I don't want you to do that. I wanted you to do it for ourselves. I told you, no, plot for me in Sonnanla.
Okay. Okay.
Just write reserved, outgoing, and 1 to 10 scale you do. We will now plot it out. After writing, we will plot. There are many online tools also available to find out the personality trait. Have we done that in the class? You remember sometimes before when I taught you some other subject? Did we all do it? Johari window, you remember? Boys and girls. Hello.
Ma'am.
Did we have Johari window in the class? Anytime you
Johari.
remember? Johari window, did we play anytime?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
Ma'am.
When we finish this, we will go to that. I
Okay.
think you would have forgotten. Are you there, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good, good. Once again, you're able to see, right? Is my slide visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Full screen, right? Hmm? Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
முடிச்சிட்டீங்களா? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you got different color pen or pencil nearby you?
No, ma'am.
Hmm? Don't have, huh?
No, ma'am.
Uh, you want to go and bring it? Red color, black color, pencil. At least red, black,
Okay, ma'am.
blue ஆவது இருக்காதா? Red இருக்காது. Black,
Yes,
blue,
yes, ma'am.
pencil. You may have, right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? Okay, go bring.
Got it, ma'am.
Got it, huh? Okay. See, now what you should do is, wait. Now what you should do is, shall we do self-assessment or shall we do it for friends? Okay, what we will do is we will select, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What you do is, first take blue color pen you take, and then in that what you do is 1 to 10 points இருக்கு இல்லையா 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 points இருக்குல்ல இப்போ வந்து you will know no நம்ம horizontally which is 1 point which is 2 point you will know. Okay, இப்போ go to the first triad, reserved. This send is reserved, that end is outgoing. Okay, so now first plot about yourself. இப்போ ரிசர்வ்டு நீ ரிசர்வ்டா இல்லை அவுட் கோயிங்கா, எந்த அளவுக்கு ரிசர்வ்டு எந்த அளவுக்கு அவுட் கோயிங். ஓகே, அதை வந்து இட் கெனாட் பி ஐதர் திஸ் சைட் ஆர் தட் சைட். நடுவில் ஏதாவது ஒரு பாயிண்ட் தான் வரும் உனக்கு. ஓகே, இப்போ நீ வேணா யூ டெல் அபவுட் மை பர்சனாலிட்டி. வாட் மார்க்ஸ் வாட் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் வில் யூ கிவ் ஃபார் மீ? am I reserved or outgoing? What scale you will give? Hello, darling students.
Ma'am, 9 point. Ma'am.
Okay, 9 point. I always keep on talking, you know, I am not at all reserved. I don't keep it within myself. I just open it up. Okay, so outgoing. So you can give 9. So 9 கிட்ட வந்து ஒரு புள்ளி வச்சிரு. Put a dot. So for you, this is an example what I am telling. I will tell about myself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
you have to think about yourself. But now what is that we are going to do today is like first with the blue pen we will mark about ourselves. Okay, the second one is you mark about your best friend. Your best friend, you need not tell who is your best friend and all. You mark about your best friend in your same class. Okay, the third color you mark about your mark about some person whoever is not that close to you. Okay, so one another person, the extreme end, you just any random person you can mark. The third person can be a random person. The second person should be your close friend. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what you do is like keep marking first for you reserved outgoing 1 to 10 போட்டுடு. Second one, concrete thinking do you have or abstract thinking? How is your thinking process? Concrete thinking, or does it you got a wavering mind, or that, or abstract thinking means you don't have something concrete. Abstract means it is opposite, you know, it goes this side and that side. அதோ லேசா ஒரு ஐடியா இருக்கு ஆனா ஷூரா சொல்ல முடியாது, அதுதான் வந்து abstract thinking. Concrete thinking means yeah, I'm 100% sure this is what it is அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி தாட் ப்ராசஸ் உனக்கு எந்த அளவுக்கு இருக்கு தாட் ப்ராசஸ். இப்போ அன்னைக்கு இஃப் யூ ஆஸ்க் மீ அபவுட் சுரேந்தர் 9 கொடுக்கலாம் அப்டிராக்ட் திங்கிங்ல. திங்கிங் ப்ராசஸ் வந்து அப்ட்ராக்ட் தான் அவனுக்கு. அன்னைக்கு கேட்டாக்கா ஏதோ புரியுது, ஏதோ புரியல மேம் அப்படின்ட்டான். Okay. Supposing concrete thinking, supposing if it is Priyadarshini, I can give this side, I can give 2 to her. See, there is nothing right or nothing wrong, guys. இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும், அப்படி தான் இருக்கணும்லாம் கிடையவே கிடையாது எதுவுமே. சரியா? There is nothing right or nothing wrong. There is nothing bad or nothing good as far as personality is concerned. Got my point? Personality is a unique set of characteristic traits inherited by you. It is given by God. It comes from your gene and it comes from your environment. That's all. You should understand what type of personality you are. Okay, if there is some trait which is not matching your job, then we have to change. Or if it is not matching to that situation, then we have to change. Otherwise, it is there with you. If it is not going to harm anyone, nothing wrong in that. You got the point, guys? If it is going to harm you, supposing you are writing your project, abstract thinking will not work out. In the class, you can have an abstract thinking, but that cannot happen in the report writing. You need to have a concrete thinking about what you have learned during your project. Purida, on the situation, you need to have that trait. So you have to understand, I have got an abstract thinking. I am this, but this type of personality, I have to change. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீ அதில் ஒர்க் பண்ணுவ. ஓகே, அதுதான் நம்ம புரிஞ்சுக்கிறோம். We are trying to understand what we are. Okay, so are you doing it? Affected by feelings. Third one is affected by feelings. Very emotional character. Some people, like either they'll be too happy, too sorrowful. Okay, so dominated by feelings. The other end is like emotionally stable. Okay, very submissive and very dominant. So are you understanding the words? Supposing if you don't understand, you just let me know.
Okay, ma'am.
உனக்கு அந்த வேர்டுக்கு மீனிங் தெரியலனாக்கா, see, always I would recommend you to have dictionary installed in your mobile. Okay, டக்குன்னு வந்து you have to understand what the word gives you a meaning. Even English to Tamil dictionary also you could have, you can actually use it. If you're not good with the language, you want to know it in Tamil also you can know, but then I would recommend you to use only English. Finished?
No, ma'am. 1 minute.
If you have got doubts, you keep asking me. See, after finishing this, you have to actually photograph this. கேம் ஸ்கேனரோ இல்லாட்டி ஃபோட்டோவோ எடுத்து நீ எல்லாரும் எனக்கு போஸ்ட் பண்ணணும். What is forthright and shrewd? Hmm? பயங்கர shrewd.
Ma'am,
Forthright
how we react to
means a
changes,
manner
ma'am.
of speech, ma'am.
How you actually forecast and judge. Shrewd. She's very shrewd being on her.
Shrewd as a merchant.
Yeah. Tough-minded. There is another phrase also, wooden-headed. Tough-minded, sensitive, trusting, suspicious, conservative, experimenting. Conservative means what? We believe whatever is being told. Experimenting is we don't believe. Actually, we go and find out, we explore. Undisciplined, self-controlled, group dependent, self-sufficient, relaxed, tense. I would like you to add my name also there. And the moon இதுல இந்த போடு நான் பார்க்குறேன். What is your prediction about me?
Ma'am, finished with the other individuals, ma'am.
ஓ நாலாவது ஒரு லைன் போடுறேன். Another sketch.
Ma'am.
Another color dotted line. Finished, all of you? Shall we move on? Shall we move?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, now after doing this, you will connect the dots. Okay. When you connect the dots, it becomes a line. Okay. So you have to find out which two people are similar. That is the moral of the story, plotting in the graph. In the example, what they have done is airport pilots are in the green color, creative artists are in the red color, writers are in the blue color. So அவங்க pattern வந்து அப்படி entirely different. யார் ரெண்டு சிமிலரா இருக்கிறது ரெட் அண்ட் டு சம் எக்ஸ்டென்ட் ப்ளூ. ஓகே, ஸோ கிரியேட்டிவ் ஆர்டிஸ்ட் அண்ட் சாரி ரெட் அண்ட் ப்ளூ கிரியேட்டிவ் ஆர்டிஸ்ட் அண்ட் ரைட்டர்ஸ் ஆர் சிமிலர். புரியுதாம்மா உனக்கு? The reason for plotting it in the line diagram. Creative artists and writers will have similar personality traits, whereas airline pilots are entirely different. புரியுதா? Green color. See, look at the green color. நல்லா தள்ளி இருக்கு பாரு.
Yes, ma'am.
Understand the interpretation? Can you understand now the interpretation of the data? It's a simple
Yes, ma'am.
line diagram. After plotting it, we could able to see that this green and this blue and red similar-ஆ போகுது. புரியுதா? அதுல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரைட்டர்ஸ் வந்து இமேஜினேஷன் வந்து ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கு அவங்களுக்கு. ஓகே, அதுல தான் ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தி ஆகுறாங்க. whereas கிரியேட்டிவ் ஆர்டிஸ்ட் வந்து இமேஜினேஷன் சம்திங் லெஸ், தே ஆர் மோர் ப்ராக்டிக்கல். ஓகே, அண்ட் தென் ரைட்டர்ஸ் ஆர் வெரி வெரி சென்சிட்டிவ், but then creative artists are not so. And then look at the creative artist, அவங்களுக்கு வந்து abstract thinking ஜாஸ்தி, dominated by abstract thinking. Okay, that's why they are very creative. டக்கு 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 டக்குன்னு மாறும் அவங்களுக்கு. The thought process will change. கைக்கு வந்த மாதிரி they will paint பண்ணுவாங்க. But அதுதான் uniqueness. That is their uniqueness. They come out with a different portrait. Got it, guys? So supposing,
ma'am.
why is that we need to do? இதெல்லாம் எதுக்கு மேம் பண்ணோம்? இதுக்கும் நான் கம்பெனில வேலை செய்யறதுக்கும் என்ன மேம் சம்பந்தம் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா, we will actually we will actually come out with certain personality traits needed for a job. ஒரு ஜாபுக்கு என்ன personality traits we need, that we will actually determine, and then we will actually find out what this individual is having, one individual is having, and we will do the matchmaking. புரியுதா? See, nothing is right or nothing is wrong. ஆனா இந்த பர்டிகுலர் ஜாபுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி பர்சனாலிட்டி ட்ரைட் வந்து தேவைப்படும். ஸோ இவன் மேட்ச் ஆகுறானா இல்லையான்றதை வந்து நம்ம பார்ப்போம். Okay, so based on that only we will give him some roles and responsibilities. Okay, we will give him so some people will be good subordinates, but they will not be good boss. அவங்க leadership trait இருக்காது. So leader அப்படின்னா you got some traits, so that they may not have, so you cannot give them that position. So for those reasons only we have to understand the personality traits of individuals. Getting my point, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we move on? Can we move on to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
So அது முடிஞ்சது சரியா? இது வந்து CATL's 16 PF. Okay, personality factors. Now we are moving to big 5 personality traits. Okay, OCEAN, ocean, openness to experience, conscientiousness, extraversion, agreeableness, and then neuroticism. See, these are the traits. Low scores will be given to loner, high scores will be given to joiner. Okay, so these are the important dominating traits. So big 5 traits, this is the basic. நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி Maslowல வந்து we have got sorry, in motivation we have got Maslow theory. Likewise, personality means big 5 personality only. Okay, but for you we had Hepsico on that. We have got a 6th trait measured for you. Very soon I will give you the results of that. Okay, here the big 5 personality trait, actually the basic differences in personality you can boil down into small dimensions. Okay, so we can find out is that particular person is introvert or extrovert, do they agree or are they very difficult, are they irresponsible or they are conscientious, or are they emotionally stable or not unstable, are they smart or unintelligent. So these questions you will have about individual. So totally putting together, we will, this determines the whole personality of individuals. As I've told you earlier, there are more than 100 phrases describing the personality of individuals, but this has been capsuled into only 5. So this will follow with Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud was also talking about the domination. Why the personality is actually coming out like this? Why is he exhibiting that? So it comes from this thing which I have taught you, your conscious, subconscious, and the unconscious mind. So there's extra words are there. You can use this PPT also. So this talks about ego, super ego. So different stages your personality actually develops. Okay, 1 to 3, 3 to 6, and 6 years from then onwards. So the psychoanalysis happens from the unconscious mind to the conscious mind. How you grow. So normally we say no, vayasukku thagunda buddhi illa. So when you keep growing, you have to grow in a way that you suppress your unconscious mind and your conscious mind works on very well because of the education what you've got. Supposing you as a person, an MBA guy has to be differentiated from a BBA guy or from a person who has studied ITI or a diploma. You got difference, isn't it or not? Your behavior should be exhibited. The first thing where the personality is getting exhibited is your external appearance. That's the reason we always tell you you have to carry yourself properly. There is nothing wrong in just like that going with a checked trouser and then a punky hairstyle and then with the stud in the ears and all these things. You can also do it. There is nothing wrong in that. But the similar type of appearances even a carpenter will have. Even see, I'm not telling this particular job is less or this particular job is what you call inferior and this job is superior. It's not so. But then you actually you demonstrate about yourself or you depict about yourself to someone else. So when that is the case, first the visuals get into their mind. So already they have got some visuals in their mind about how a manager should look like. It is not your problem. It is the problem which has been inherited. மேனேஜர்னா இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும், இவங்கன்னா இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும், அது மாதிரி ஒரு விஷுவல்ஸ் உள்ள கிரியேட் ஆயிருக்கும். ஓகே, there comes what is called as character. Character is something which is being perceived by others. So you have to present yourself to that extent. Otherwise, you've been taken into a different way. So the first impression itself, if you give them a good impression, then everything will fall in line. So Freud actually, he himself is a ocean. அவரை பத்தி படிக்கணும்னாலே you can keep on experimenting about him. So you want to describe about your behavior now, you can take an event and then you can describe about your behavior on that particular event. There are many actually when we have personality training to individuals, we do all these activities. So this theory and all is not there in your syllabus. I'm just teaching you the content beyond syllabus. These are the contents which is beyond your syllabus, just to make you know about what all these things are involved into. This is very important. Rating scale. So you will be doing your project work, right? So look at this. Rating of people. We always write strongly agree and all. No. Here look at this. The first thing talks about self-control. The second thing talks about introversion, extraversion. The third one talks about what? Leadership. Fourth one is about the mood. Okay, so you can mark to what level you are. So any one of you in the class, now itself you can fix it up that you wanted to do a study based on the personality traits. You can do an empirical study. You need not go to a company. You can find out the dominating personality traits of individuals belonging to different profession. When you go to a company, definitely you will be put into a psychological test which talks about your personality. Okay, I think this will stop. Do you want a break? Do you want a break or shall I continue?
Continue, ma'am.
This Carl Jung is another person who speaks about the psychological test which determines the personality of individual. Okay, much of what seems to be a random behavior is actually quite orderly and it is consistent, and it is due to basic differences in the way individuals prefer to take in information and act according to the information. The Myers-Briggs type indicator is one another important personality traits theory. It talks about your preferences. Personality is nothing but the way you choose to be. Okay. So the assumptions behind it is like we are born with certain preferred choice of behavior, and then an environment has got an impact on the preferences what you choose. And the more we use preferred types, the more skillful we get with them, because it is our interest. Preference is nothing but the interest. The type preferences that are more successful become dominant. What you prefer becomes your dominant trait. So lesser used type preferences can also be developed. Actually, if you don't have something as an inherited quality, for your profession it may be needed. So you can develop your personality. Okay, a personality can be developed. It is not like values. Personality can be modified. Um, so Jung's theory is another important theory. This says that
Ma'am, PPT is not
yeah.
visible, ma'am. PPT is not
Oh, wait,
visible.
wait, wait.
PPT is not
I
visible,
will
ma'am.
share it now. Wait. I think now it's visible. Now it's visible, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
If you have left it, just make a note of it. You should be clear enough to take up the notes. So today, after the class, you should be thorough with personality. That's all. For the final exams, you have to just like that go and write. Take down these points also. Assumptions, take it down. Finished?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yeah. After you finish, you just let me know.
Finished, ma'am.
Finished.
Finished? Here comes another important word called as attitude. So, what is the attitude comes in your unit 2? Okay, so attitude and then personality has got a greater dependency. Okay, attitude is predisposition of behavior. Personality is your behavior. Okay, so attitude is your mindset. Okay, what you have in your mind, the predisposition before you exhibit yourself, you have something in your mind. No, that is what is called as attitude. So either you will be an extrovert or you will be an introvert, and you will be sensing or intuition. Intuition means like what your mind says you do. Sensing means you find out reasons or you actually find out facts and figures. Then thinking and feeling. Thinking is dominated by the brain. Feeling is you undergo it and then you come to conclusion. Okay, that both are at different ends. Judging and perceiving. That is also attitude. Whatever I've told you, it has been narrated in words. Four functions what you can use is actually perceiving, intuition, then thinking, feeling. Normally, in any of your marketing survey, your customer preference or your employee satisfaction, on all these things, we do a perception survey only. We call it as perception. What do you perceive? என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க அப்படின்னு கேட்போம் இல்லையா? That is what is called as perception. So we have to measure the perception. Based on that only, we can come to a conclusion to change things. So it is not only dealing with your subordinates. It is not only forget that you are going to become an HR manager. You have to deal with people. Okay, so be it a client or a vendor. Even you can go and get a job in a logistic company, but you will have some vendors, you will have some customers, you will have some clients, you will have some government officials where you need to submit the documentation procedure. So there also you have to deal with people. So you need to understand how they will perceive. Okay, so these are the basic concepts what you are studying, which is actually applicable to industrial setup. Now comes, we are getting into second unit. Please take it down. Attitudes. Individuals use actually four attitudes to orient themselves to the world. Two for interaction and two for operations. Okay. So individual interact with the world as either extrovert or introvert. So extrovert means they gain energy from their environment and often seek personal interaction. Introverts actually lose energy to the environment and often seek detachment. Okay, so then individual operate on the world with either perception or they operate with judgment. A perception attitude is attuned to incoming information. Perception is incoming information. Judgment is concerned about decision, closure, planning, or organizing. So, according to managerial terms, judging is very, 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 very important. Don't judge others அப்படின்றது வந்து நார்மல் பீப்புளுக்கு. பட் ஃபார் அ மேனேஜர் ஜட்ஜிங் இஸ் எசென்ஷியல். புரியுதா? So we should be very clear about it. Until otherwise you judge a customer, you cannot fulfill the wishes of the customer. Okay, so judgment attitude definitely we people should have. If you are a teacher, you have to have judgment. Okay, if you are a trespasser, supposing I am traveling in an train tomorrow, okay, after the metro opens, someone is sitting next to me, I need not go and judge. Okay, don't judge people abhimangal. For the trespassers, you need not judge them. But if you are in a position, you are supposed to judge them. Okay, so there you are not supposed to judge. அங்க போயிட்டு நீ வந்து டிக்கெட் வாங்காத மெட்ரோ ட்ரெயின்ல ஏறி இருப்ப, எனக்கு தெரியும் உன்னை பத்தி, நீ அப்படிதான், you are habitual in doing it, நீ சொல்ல வேண்டிய அவசியம் கிடையாது. There you need not have that pride. Okay, but you are in a position, then you need to have that pride. Okay, so it is attuned to coming information. Have you written it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, now interpreting type preferences. The number found on the feedback sheet do not indicate your personality strength. They measure your level of preferences for the functions and attitudes. Very clear. See, preferences are there, no? Preferences and the judgment. See, very clear preference, moderate preference, light preference. So instead of using strongly agree and all these things, we can have this also as scale. Okay, so extrovert and introvert, when you actually measure them, you can have those preferences scale also. See, this comes again and again about their traits. They are outer world oriented. They concentrate on people and things. They are action oriented. They are impulsive. Then they are sociable. But then introverts actually they have got an inner own world. So they have got concepts and ideas. Then they are contemplative, and then they're thoughtful. They're private, and they are detached from the outside world. The sensing and intuition, sensing actually they present the reality, they are observant, and the memory they have got for details, and they are very practical. But intuitive types they are future possibilities. They will look at future possibilities, and they are very insightful. They focus on theories, and they are very imaginative. The thinking individuals actually they are logic oriented, critical, analytical, objective, and they're looking for truth. But whereas people, those who are more of feeling, they are value created or value oriented. They are very caring, empathetic, subjective, and they're looking for harmony. So judging individuals, they are very purposive, decisive, satisfied, and they seek a closure. In perceiving individuals, they are very spontaneous, adaptable, they are interested, and they seek opinion of others also. So now coming to the workplace situation. So how does an extrovert behave and how does an introvert behave? Based on this, you can come to a conclusion what type of personality you are. Are you an extrovert or are you an introvert? So in the points you tick mark which describes about you. டாமினேட்டிங் ட்ரைட்னு பார்த்துட்டு அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி நீ எக்ஸ்ட்ராவர்ட்டா இன்ட்ராவர்ட்டா நம்ம கன்க்ளூட் பண்ணலாம். எக்ஸ்ட்ராவர்ட் டைப்ஸ் லைக் அ வெரைட்டி அண்ட் ஆக்ஷன். நீ அந்த மாதிரி ஆளா? டிக் போடுது. Often good at greeting people. See, look at that. How many of you have got that habit? இதை வந்து ஒரு பர்சனாலிட்டி ட்ரைட்டா காமிக்கிறான். புரியுதா? It talks about your personality. It doesn't talk about the opposite party's personality. It talks about your personality. How you behave, how you respond to people. It talks about what you are, but not about others. Sometimes impatient with long, slow jobs. Often enjoy talking on the phone. Can act quickly without thinking. Like to have people around. Prefer talking to writing. communicate freely, learn new tasks by talking it through with someone. So if you want to become a leader, if you want to become a manager, for sure you need to have all these traits. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please
Yes,
mark
ma'am.
what and all you
Yes,
got.
ma'am.
Now, today's class should be like a self-introspection. Like what type of personality I am. See, actually now it is a pandemic situation and your normal behavior would have gone now. But then to try to understand like uh, how is that I am into what people are thinking about me and how I should think about people. Some of you are very neutral. நான் என்னை பத்தியும் எதுவும் நினைக்கல, அடுத்தவங்கள பத்தியும் எதுவும் நினைக்கல, நான் எதை பத்தியுமே நினைக்கல, சாமியார் மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடாது. Shall we move on to the next slide? Introvert type.
Yes, ma'am.
Write only the keywords. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the difference between sensing type and intuitive type. Shall we go to the next one?
Finished, ma'am.
Intuitive
ma'am.
type.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished? Huh? Focus on things. Same thing repeated. Enjoy learning. Burst of energy. Leaping to conclusion. Facts a bit wrong. Follow inspirations. Ask why. Thinking type. Thinking type means they are very logical. They respond to ideas, anticipate the outcomes. They need to be treated fairly, tend to be firm and tough minded. Thinking people are tough minded people. May hurt people's feeling without knowing it. யார் பெஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்லு? Have a talent for analyzing problems or situations. So this is a dominant personality, thinking character. More of logical reasoning, very tough minded. Okay, fairly treated. Look at the next one, feeling type. These people are actually feeling type. They need to have harmony in work. Okay, jolly type, easygoing. They will be very sympathetic. They will be pleasing people. They take an interest in the person behind the job or idea. So they respond to people's value. They are good at seeing the effects of choices on people. Okay. Judging type. Judging type work best when they can plan their work and follow their plan. Like to get things settled and finished. May decide things too quickly. Tend to work on one task at a time. Are satisfied once they reach a decision. They schedule the projects in steps and they complete them on time. They use lists as agendas for actions. Perceptive type. Leave things open for last minute changes. Adapt well to changing situation. They may have some trouble making decision. They want more information also. They work on many tasks. They are multitasking. May postpone some unpleasant task. They get a lot of accomplishments. They use list to reminders for their job. So intuitive type needs sensing also. Some of one or two traits we need from that side also. Purida, you cannot be too much skewed towards left or skewed towards right. The conclusion of today's class is, as I've told you, there is nothing right or nothing wrong. You cannot have the wholesome, you cannot be wholesome of introvert and wholesome of extrovert also. If at all that is going to affect your behavior or your character, then you have to actually modify it or you have to lessen it as such that doesn't have an impact, negative impact on the performance. Okay, see sensing type, see that's what it says. Intuitive types should be sensing types also. Sensing types should be intuitive types also. Feeling types need thinking types also. Thinking type needs feeling types also. That is the moral of the story. Okay, got my point, guys? Shall we end the class? Okay, any queries?
Okay, ma'am.
Any queries?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.